Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, I'm not planning on today because just know we have to meet with the best teacher worldwide at the time, the master builder at the time to build this club, which is this club 2016 at the time, November 25 at the time. His name is Kosa. I really appreciate, I'm very happy to meet him just now because he was the teacher at the time. Alright, today I would like to discuss about, sharing my experience about how to be minimalist about bullying. What? At a time, before now is the story to go for December 26 at a time. At a time I was in school, my friend called me, what, bully. Why? I have no idea why, because I got my hair, but blonde hair. Blonde hair, not red hair, yellow hair, exactly that time. Every single day, every single time, every single week, I don't care about my friend. If I want my friend at the time, my friend still calling me bully. I have no idea why. Bully, every single time. After now, it's just good for December 26 at the time, my friend still call me bully because bully visit masuk kampung at the time. When after now, yeah, that's because 2005 time stay in the United States. That's because I know every single accent in the United States. North Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, East Virginia, Massachusetts, Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas, every single state in the United States at the time. After that, talking about how to minimize bullying, exactly I myself, I do not care about bullying exactly. Until now, my friend always, bring me why Esperanto, and then, things like every morning when I'm burning near my learning house, I don't care about that, because, I do love speak like learning accent, because so many people can speak like learning accent. I myself, on my second year, spend my time wasting my time to learn like learning accent. Can you imagine that? But exactly when my friend, bullying me, I don't care about that because, for me, when my friend bullying me, I just, get reward from my God every single time. So I always remember my faith, and then to always remember my mind. I don't have to bullying every single people exactly. But truly, I always bring my friend, my best to work with is I'm not being him, I just like that. We have different like that. Deserve, right? Yeah, deserve like that. Because you look thinner than before. That's because every single time, every single meet with Mr. Fahmi, I always collect always cigarette that I pick. That's the only one, and then every single piece, and then I give him this one. I'm not giving my poison. No, he's not talking about poison. I just give all the respect for the best to work right now. That's. But somebody calling me, why you don't smoke? Why you don't smoke? Are you a smoker? No, I'm not a smoker. But why you pick every single pieces about the cigarette, and why you give you for your teacher? I've known that why I just respect him, because every single meeting, he always teaching me about English. Not only English, but also history, also people from the United States, or accent, or anything about that. That's because I do respect for the best in world right now. That's my time, I speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.